Are your Qt project apps crashing due to the qt6 WebSockets Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before diving into the manual fix for qt6 WebSockets Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the qt6 WebSockets Library, the WebSocket communication module for the qt6 framework. It manages the persistent low-latency data link between modern desktop apps and web servers. It is a mandatory requirement for trading apps and real-time dashboard tools. If missing, the app will report socket initialization failed or connection refused. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Because qt6 WebSockets Library DLL is required by Qt project to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Qt project ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing qt6 WebSockets library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. The version of qt6 WebSockets Library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing qt6 WebSockets Library and system health. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter qt6 WebSockets Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.